the anti-sin cereal. If you think Corn Flakes are just a boring breakfast cereal, wait until you hear why they were invented. The story begins in the late 1800s with Dr. John Harvey Kellogg, a physician who ran a health sanitarium in Michigan. Kellogg was obsessed with what he considered clean living. That meant no alcohol, no smoking, no spicy food, and especially no sexual indulgence. He believed that one of the greatest dangers of health was, well, pleasuring yourself. He wrote an entire book about how it would ruin your body and mind. Kellogg's solution: a bland, plain diet that he thought would reduce sinful urges. No meat, no rich foods, just simple, tasteless meals that wouldn't excite the passions. And this is where Corn Flakes come in. In 1894, John Harvey Kellogg and his brother Will accidentally created toasted flakes of corn while experimenting with different ways to prepare vegetarian foods for their patients. John believed this new food, plain, crunchy, and absolutely flavorless, was the perfect breakfast to promote purity and self-control. Here's the twist. Will Kellogg, his brother, thought they should add sugar to the flakes to make them more appealing. John refused. To him, sugar was stimulating and dangerous. This led to a huge fight between the brothers, and eventually a split that created the Kellogg cereal empire we know today. And also, according to history, the brothers never seemingly made up. The irony. A cereal designed to stop excitement became a breakfast staple for millions, and a very exciting one at that, and eventually got loaded with sugar, cartoon mascots, and toys inside the box. Some online argue that this version of the story isn't true or that certain parts or details are off, but from what I was able to find online, most accounts describe the story in this way, and for what it's worth, it definitely checks out in my opinion. Anyway, like, comment, and subscribe for more interesting stories.